dance is called Dreams Come True. 32 count, 2 walls. There are 3 tags in this dance. End of wall 2, wall 3, and wall 5. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with the right foot. Cross right over left. Sweep left over right cross. Hitch right, rock recover. Quarter to your right. Half turn to the right with a sweep behind. Sweep left behind with a hook. And half turn to the right and rock back. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2. Do a full turn to your left. Step, turn, step. Do a weave to the left with a sweep. Cross, side, behind. Sweep, behind, quarter. Do a pivot half turn. Step forward, step, touch. Section 2 with the count. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 3, do the diamond step. Side, stepping right to the side, making a 1/8 back with your left, and step back, make a 1/8 to the left, another 1/8 forward with the right, step forward, and 1/8 to the left, stepping right, step left next to right, rock, recover, side, recover, back, recover. With the count, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Last section. Step half turn to the left. Step, turn, step. Step half turn to the right. Step, turn, step. Step forward with the right. Recover with the left with a sweep. Behind, side, cross. Make a full turn, unwind. Weight remaining on the left. And you end the dance here. So let me show you the last section with the count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Let me show you the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Here, wall 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. At the end of wall 2, there's a tag. The tag is 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of wall 3, there's a tag. The tag is 1, 2. The end of wall 5, a tag. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and